Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LaShonda B and I am back with a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a creative natural hairstyle. I'm going to start by parting my hair in half. As you guys know, when I part my hair, I part the middle first, then the sides. This is how my hair looks when I'm done parting. I'm going to put the back section in a ponytail so it don't be in my way as I'm styling the front section. And then I'm going to start by parting little curly bangs in the front of my hair. Once I'm done parting my hair for the bangs, I'm going to part little small sections on the side for 2 braids. Before braiding my hair, I'm going to put the bangs in a ponytail so it don't be in my way as I style and sleek up my ponytail. I'm going to start by spraying down my hair with some water, and then I'm going to put it in a messy ponytail. Then I'm going to add Kennedy Simone natural hair curling cream just to sleek up the sides of my hair. This curling cream is thick and very, very moisturizing. Once I'm done adding the curling cream and sleeking up my hair, I'm going to take the ponytail out and redo it, putting it in a neater, tighter ponytail. Now it's time to slay those 2 braids on the side. I'm going to start by spraying down my hair with water. Then I'm going to add the curling cream. Then I start braiding. Once I'm done braiding the 2 braids, I'm going to go ahead and start on my bangs by spraying water on it, adding the curling cream. This will help my curls to be defined. Now I'm going to go in with Doesn't Get Much Butter Than This hair butter from The Main Choice. This hair butter is moisturizing. I'm going to put it on the ponytail before putting it into a bun. Next, I take the back section of my hair out of a ponytail. Then I go ahead and part it down the middle. After parting it down the middle, I take one side of the hair and put it in a ponytail as I style the other side. Now I'm going to go in after parting a small section of my hair and spray it down with water, add the curling cream, a little bit of the main choice growth oil. Then I'm going to perform the shingling method on the entire back side of my hair. Now I am done performing the shingling method on the back of my hair. As you guys can see, the left side is a little bit drier than the right. I'm gonna go ahead and just weigh out time and let the entire head dry. While I'm letting my hair dry, I'm going to go ahead and slay my edges using Luster Pink's Smooth Hold Edge Gel. Once I'm done slaying my edges, I'm going to go in with some gold string. You can get this from the local beauty supply, and I'm just going to wrap it around the bun, tie a knot towards the end, and then cut the ends off so that it won't look too stringy. Now after adding the gold string, I waited a little bit off camera, maybe about 45 minutes to let my hair dry, and it dried perfectly. Now I'm going to go in and fluff my hair out, giving it volume with a normal regular pick. This is the ending result, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and your girl is out. Peace.